After rolling your fondant into a ball, roll it into a cone. Make sure that you're using tylose for each step so it will hold its shape. Flatten the cone at the bottom. This will help it stand up. Now cut into the fondant 2/3 up the cone in order to create the front feet. Then cut that in half. Smooth off any rough edges. Now place your cone onto a piece of styrofoam and put a skewer all the way through to help support the construction. This will also help you create a fixing area when applying it to your cake or your cupcake. Roll a sausage to make the legs. Flatten one end of the sausage and make it smooth and remove any points, and glue it onto the side of your lion. Add a little bit of glue or sugar water onto the top of your skewer. Roll another ball and place it on the top for the head. Cut a circle with cookie cutters. You can have the frilled kind. Apply some glue around the head to fix on the mane. Now wrap the mane around the head, having the join in the front centre. Smooth off the join with a tool or a toothpick. You can also make the mane with a cookie cutter. Cut off the petals of a flower and fix them on all the way around the edge. After making a little ball for the mouth and the muzzle and pressing that on, you now need to apply a black nose the same way. With an edible marker, you can mark on the closed eyes. Roll a small ball, cut it in half, and fix on the head for ears. If you would like to make a tail for your lion, see a link below to our elephant video. That's our lion complete. So you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the notification bell and follow us on Facebook. Happy decorating!